Hello, in this video I want you to know that you need to invest in yourself, you need to invest in your nation, you need to wake up to speak together in United Nations, that you can do this together at the same time. Don't wait for the tech titans. They will do it if they want to. Have been invited to do this for these 5 years, and they still have an open gate to do it, as Elon Musk is fighting for it as well. If the White House is having underground to create more artificial intelligence there for high security, as to get into their people's computers, and if you are also listening to the people, they can help you as well to map everything that is required. Know that you will need to invest at one point, sometime in the history of the future. Who knows if in 5 years, 7 or 15, we might get together again to have something universal. Remember that every horror that we see from another country, a vulnerable person might do that. The news should be positive and embracing. This is our land where we're landing with these technologies. Remember that if Bill Gates is going to create a city of technology for himself and put other companies from United States against United Nations, that means against the world. We need our brothers and sisters to wake up, to take care of their nations, to take care of those who are vulnerable in around the world and need tools and water to feed their children, to not to have so many children, and to return the trust. Please start doing that today, getting to talk about this in United Nations. Don't wait for people to say yes. Unless they want to say yes, they will come invited to play and celebrate. I wish you the best, and I hope to find better words. So it's well hammered. Hammer it. Hammer time. Hammer it. For you to believe that investing and promoting this is to make it better for everyone. Yeah, that's how the wheel of invention runs to evolve. But it's out of love to improve your love, to show what you got. You want to be loved by what you do. It's not about admiration, really. Thirst of power. It's something much more deeper that is craving. When you see other ones admire and you admire others and you also want to give back any form of love from your creation. So we evolve from that and create. Can be a new meal from all the meals, a new technology. So in the love of everyone, don't be afraid. You can do this. It could be faster if the tech tyrants of America can win for humanity with humanity. I wish the best for Elon Musk and the media. I wish the best for all those who want to put their shoulders and write their laws and talk honesty for these technological laws. And imagine you are a tech titan. You really need to understand within the mind of a tech titan. Know from me that none of them are going to tell you because they will reveal all their businesses, and they will reveal what they have done, because that's what they do to each other. They forgive each other many times. And the open source they have is from copying one another and hacking and making more innovation because they go too fast. I have make a lot of innovation myself, but everything is stolen. So I cannot role play, because then if you don't have nothing, everything will be stolen. You have to enter as a millionaire investing with millions, or everything will be stolen. So the same way my land has been stolen with weapons of mass destruction, so people destroy my country of Venezuela, and with that my family and my life. My rights are alive thanks to the education I love to regenerate. Through love, I regenerate myself. Afraid to continue with long conversations. Just to see the reality of the making of love and the timing of this landing. So once you have made this decision in this landing already, that's been precisely correct in this landing, you might know who is helping for to help themselves, and how important it is to take seriously for your own people, for your own nation to enjoy this creativity. But it's the human interaction that's to be trusted. I really believe you can stop the suffering in the world and the immigration and people being homeless, as many children to be respected. As me, a working woman, so it is urgent for you to put this into law and into your own investments. Is true happening what's going on, and thank you that a universal coin might come from everyone's unity that has to do from the leaders of the world. It has nothing to do with me. If you can stop fighting to push towards the light as an influencer, yeah, it's okay to say the truth. It's not the meaning that for you to stop saying the truth, but also bring the answer, because what you're supporting is the answers of how it should be. Talk the truth then. If we are going to be revolving in negative truths, we're not really generating the way for humanity and for ourselves. In this way, of course, I will pray for someone to bring my children and to help me, for the good people, for the good people that exist. I see them today. Sometimes they're naughty people, or they become mischievous. I am with good people, humble people. I am praying for someone of power to help me. Um, um, I know my work is valuable as anyone here working for it. So goodbye. And that is what I really want to say very shortly, because every time that passes by, you can be creating your algorithm to be smarter as your people are talking with it. There's a lot of work. It's a lot of work and investments. When you finish the wars and invest on creativity, as for Putin, it will be prosperous for you as well. Your freedom from this war is the freedom of others in Europe as well. and the people that are in the front line. I feel that is very good for everyone as well. So thank you for that. Bye.